Welcome to Speed.
How to program NodeMCU on Arduino IDE. The NodeMCU programming can be as easy as in Arduino. The main difference is the distribution of pins in the NodeMCU board. Follow below operations and enjoy your first NodeMCU and Arduino IDE travel. Use the USB cable to connect your NodeMCU to the computer. You will see the blue onboard LED flicker when powered up. Install the serial port drivers. The new version NodeMCU v1.0 comes with a CP2102 serial chip. You can download and install the driver from the link below. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to File and select Preferences. Here we are adding ESP8266 Board Manager. Copy the link provided below in the space next to additional Boards Manager URLs. Click OK to save. Click Tools and select Board. Under Board select Boards Manager. A window will pop up. In the search bar type ESP8266. Press Enter button. Click Install to install the board. This will take a while. You can grab a cup of tea. When done, click Close. ESP8266 boards are now installed. Let us now program the NodeMCU board. Go to Tools and select Board. Under Board scroll until you see NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Then click it. NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module will be selected as the board to be programmed. Using USB data cable, connect NodeMCU and your computer. Select an example program in the Arduino IDE. Here, I will pick the Blink program under Basics. Verify the code and then upload. After the upload, inbuilt LED of NodeMCU will start to blink. Well done. Do not forget to subscribe and to like. You can leave comments below.